All right. So good day, everyone. I trust and hope that you guys had a good enough sleep. Well, I'm doing this video still the night before, but I'm hoping that you guys have a good sleep. Um, Definitely, it's the morning after the morning after the beating, beating that we got from the USA team. Um, it seems as if I'm getting numb. You're getting that numb feeling because you have experienced it too many times for you to know have issue with it. Yeah, you're just getting that numb feeling now. So guys, please remember smash the like button. I have a few things I want to discuss. So I strongly believe that the biggest point that I want to speak about is that Theodore Whitmore proved himself wrong. He proved himself wrong. Now, initially at the beginning of the World Cup campaign, he was one of the persons who said that he has a set of core players, and these core players, he strongly believe in these core players, and these core players will die for him. Now, there's recent report coming out that the same players, the Reggae Boyz, are losing faith that he might be the one to bring them to the World Cup qualifiers. Yeah, the players have that's the report that's coming out that the players have lost faith in the manager. And definitely there's nothing to hold on to. There's literally nothing to hold on to. Now, I last night I was watching a review, a match reaction, actually, someone's match reaction, and they mentioned a few things. Now, this same particular person, he's an analyst, famous, really famous analyst. Initially, at the beginning of the campaign, he said that all these new analysts or vloggers coming to apply pressure on the coach, and we should stick to analyzing our club football and all those type of things. That is what this particular analyst said. No, when he said that, I didn't have any issue with him. I only said that you would be the same person. I said that. I write that in the comment section and I screenshot it. I still have it in my phone. I said it. You say you are the one who said that we should leave Tapa Whitmore and know that Tapa Whitmore should go the job. Now, last night I was watching one of his review, and he said a few things. He said that he watched the game, and there was no synergy, no cohesiveness due to playing together. So he said that these guys didn't get much time to play together to have that cohesiveness, to have that synergy. And then I checked back and said, are you really watching football? Did you really look at that starting lineup? Only one player in that squad I've only represent in that particular starting lineup, only represent Jamaica one time before, prior to this game. Only one player, just one, and that is Jamal Lowe. Every other player that was on that pitch are seasoned playing together. Those players, you can call them by name. These guys are seasoned players playing together. Years. These guys are playing for years. If you look at that pitch, the amount of appearances, the amount of caps combined that was on that particular pitch. And fairly good first half. But one half alone cannot play football. I fairly good first half. Then the entire team just capitulated. What was said in halftime? No, that is when I saw that analyst said say put out those things. I automatically just stopped watching the video because I'm like, he said that all of the blame cannot go on a Theodore Whitmore foot. This is Tapa Whitmore's doing. Those set of core players, even if they say that Tapa Whitmore does not have a philosophy, does not have this, all of those type of things, those set of core players playing so much game together must have understand the job. They must have understand what the coach want from them. And if those players playing for so long in this system and cannot perform what they want him to do, and remember, we should not complain. None of us, even as fans, should not complain. Tapa Whitmore should not complain about quality players. He should not complain about quality players because he said that he has a set of core players. Even in his the second to last preview that he did, he said that he has a set of core players. He has a set of core players that he already have, and these guys are his players. And definitely new players will come and integrate into the squad because these guys would die for him on the pitch. So Tapa Whitmore cannot talk about quality. You cannot talk about quality when you have Andre Gray on the bench and you bring in on Javon East. When Jamal Lowe is the first person to come off the field, you cannot complain about quality players. What is now the excuse? Remember, your previous Tapa Whitmore previous excuse was like, I didn't have any more serious, I didn't have this, I didn't have that. No, those excuses, those complainings are gone, which means that obviously he got those. No, the last complaint was this: he didn't have enough time to coach the team. That was the last complaint. He didn't have enough time to coach the team. But guess what now? This is what happened right now. Because he says a manager, he just have to manage the players, and he's failing at that because there's so much rift. You can't be managing players and you have so much rift. No, let's look at this. You have so much players at your disposal, so much quality players right across the globe right now. That is how far the Reggae Boyz wings fan to. That is how far right across the globe. So much talent. And you can't tell me that you cannot tap into some of these talent. You have them at your disposal, but you don't want them. You want your core players, the players that will die for you. That's what you want. And you're not getting even the best out of your own core players. So what is it that us as fans, what do you want? What do you believe the fans should do? What do you really believe the fans should do? Is this campaign an early set of game for the 2020 for the next set of work for the next World Cup? Which is what, 2026? 2026, yeah. Are these early practice game for the next World Cup? And guys, do any one of you guys believe that Tapa Whitmore should really be in his job this morning? I don't. A lot of people are going to tell me that who am I going to give the job because it is in the middle of the World Cup campaign. When I said it, at the end of the Gold Cup, when I said it at the end of the Gold Cup, that give someone else the job, when I said it at the end of the Gold Cup, give someone else the job. People are telling me, no coach is going to come in at this particular time. I'm saying, come on, Paul Hall will be at all of the games. Paul Hall will, once the games come around, wherever Paul Hall is, he's the assistant coach, he will come and be all the games. So why not just give it to him then until if you don't want Paul Hall to be the permanent manager, give him the overseer job, and then I'm going search for another manager if you haven't been searching for a long while. Because if you're not seeing these results, JFF, and all these things, and you're not doing anything. We all know that no job right now, no. Because it's all about money to win, Because una publish things that are about much money you spend, much money you not enough money, or yet still in a job. If only so comfortable in a job. Why only so comfortable in a job if no money at all in a job? When money of FIFA go no? When money only get out of government budget? No money not there. Well, guys, definitely, I'm extremely upset. Extremely upset. But I said it, I said it already that Tapa Whitmore won't take us to the next level. People said that I'm coming with negativity. That is what they said. I'm too negative. Tapa is always the fault. JFF is using Tapa as a shield. And Tapa won't talk. He won't highlight that. Hey, he won't highlight JFF incompetence because he doesn't want to be fired. Yeah. Because other people are saying no. We don't want to look up a fired man and a white man. That is the mentality. But there's so much other Reggae Boyz who is actually have experienced coaching badges who would come in right now and take the job. People are gonna say nobody don't want lies. You think if you right now if you don't want to work, you don't want to work. Just answer that you don't want to work. It doesn't matter what field you are. Don't you want to work in that particular field? If you're expert in that field, you're telling me that you don't want to work in that field. All if your project look horrible, you're willing to go try and make it correct. People, me not going any further now, but massive respect, guys. Please enjoy the rest of your day. Definitely look out for more videos. I will really do so, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Military Gooner TV, people, and I am out.